Welcome to my channel. Today we are harvesting okra. Follow along and see the way we did it. As you will observe, you will realize that the okra is planted amidst other crops. It is a mixed cropping that we have, as you can observe it here. See the okra, you see some very young corn. Likewise, you see cassava in form of a mixed cropping. So it's not only okra that is there, as you can see. Yes, so it's mixed cropping. See the bigger okra here, and then some little corn, they are also there. So it is mixed cropping. So right now we want to do some harvesting of the okra. Follow along and watch to the end and see what we can also achieve apart from eating the okra fruits. As you can see, we were using knife to cut the okra fruits, not just cutting them by mere hands. Watch it. See it to the end. Rest once. Check others. Check others. See any other one. Right now, there are no more. Okay, let's check the other plants. Okay, we have here. Alright. Now if you don't harvest them on time, they become too hard and not suitable for eating any longer. They must be fresh and soft for them to be suitable for eating. Otherwise, you will leave them like that to mature and dried up. You may leave them to mature and dry up, such as these ones. If they become too hard, like this one now, you may leave them on the plants and let it dry up for preservation of seeds for planting in another planting season. Okay, when it dries up, then the seeds will be ready for planting in another planting season. But for consumption, they have to be soft and not hard, so for it to be useful for cooking. Okay.